Under Armour shorts. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Under Armour men's Raid 10-inch workout gym shorts. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a clear plastic baggie. You can see the shorts right inside, so I'm really excited to open these up and try them on. I need some new shorts, and I was looking around on Amazon, landed on these shorts, and wanted to give them a try. So now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at them in more detail. So here are the shorts. You can see how good they look. We got the black graphite color right here. They have a lot of different color options online. They also have a lot of different sizing options for you too, from men's extra small all the way up to 4XL tall. So they have everybody in body shape and size covered. With these shorts, I ordered the men's size small, so I'm 5'9" with the size 30 waist. And the sizing chart on Amazon says that this is good for 28.5 to 30. So I went ahead and I stuck with the size small, but I was on the fence about getting a medium. I'm really happy with that black graphite color though. It looks really sharp, and I like the logo with the nice gray contrast that they have right here. In case you're wondering, these shorts are made mostly out of polyester. They do have two front pockets for you, one for each hand. And they have a mesh lining on the inside for the pockets, so we can see the other pocket right here too. They have a drawstring for the waist, so you can pull that tight and tight if you want. We can learn more about the Under Armour heat gear right here and how it keeps us cool, so we can read all about that with this tag. It says helps regulate your body temperature to stay cool, dry, and light. Here's the MSRP on the back. We can see that, and size small for men's. They also have another tag in here with care instructions for you and where it's made. Then you can see we have another tagless tag on the back, whatever you want to call it. They're loose fit, size small heat gear. So let's flip them over so you can see them from the back side too. Just your classic Under Armour material. Looks great, guys. Loose fit, stretchy, flexible. They're going to be so comfortable, again, for working out, exercising, lounging around the house, recording YouTube videos, whatever you want. So there the shorts are, 10 inches you can see. There they are from the side and from the back side right there. They look great. Now let's go ahead, let's try them on. So as you can see, the shorts fit really nice. They're the perfect length. I'm very happy I went with the small size. They fit great around my waist. They don't go below my knee. They're lightweight, they're breathable. They're not too tight on the front for your crotch area or the back side. And I have a pretty big butt, so the pockets are nice too. They're very deep, and they're comfortable for your hands. They have plenty of room to fit a phone or anything you want in there because they're deep enough. And the shorts just have some stretch and give. They're great. My wife looked them over too. She was really happy with how they look, especially compared to all the other old gross shorts that I have. So they're really nice. So I'd say these shorts are definitely true to size. Stick with your regular size and you'll be fine and happy with the fit and feel of these shorts. If you're like me and you're stuck in between two sizes, I'd recommend getting that smaller size so they're not too long or too wide around the waist. But you also have that drawstring too, so if you have a wider waist, you can go ahead and you could tighten that to make it narrower for you if you wanted some extra length to maybe go below your knee or something like that. But I'm very happy with the size small. I would definitely not get a medium, and my waist size is 30 and I'm 5'9". Really like the pockets though, the deep pockets. That's my favorite feature of these shorts. You can stick your smartphone. We got the Google Pixel 3a here. We can stick those right in the shorts. You can see we got the phone in there. There's plenty of room for way larger devices, wallet, keys, everything else you would want to carry in your shorts. They're definitely lightweight, breathable, very, very comfortable, great material with that polyester. In the future though, the one thing I'm being picky on in regards to looks for the shorts, because everything else is top notch and I'm really happy, is that front seam. I feel like you can notice it in person looking at it, you know, like this on the table, really dissecting it. It kind of makes me think that they're inside out because of that seam. I'm like, oh no, do I have them on backwards? But then you see the logo and you know you're good. But once I'm wearing them, you really can't notice the seam on the front or the back. But it is a little bit unsightly if you're looking at the shorts like this and kind of have them stretched out to really focus on that seam. But I'm very happy with these shorts and I would definitely buy them again. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.